Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, January 7, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, January 7, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 7, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, January 7, 2024. Tonight's jackpot price of Super Lotto 649 is 540 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimate is 49.5 million pesos for January 7, 2024 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Sunday, January 7, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.